Hey, are you totally confused by life insurance? You're not alone. Seriously, most people feel overwhelmed when they first start looking into it. There are so many terms, options, and fine print that it can feel like you need a degree just to understand what's going on. But don't worry, I'm here to break it all down for you in plain English, so you can finally feel confident about your choices. Trust me, you're not alone. So, let's make this super simple. Whether you're just starting your first job, raising a family, or planning for retirement, understanding life insurance is important for everyone. Let's clear up the confusion together, step by step. First up, term life insurance. This is the most straightforward and popular type of life insurance out there, especially for people who want solid coverage without a lot of bells and whistles. Think of this like renting an apartment. You pay for it while you need it, and when you're done, you move on. There's no long-term commitment beyond the period you choose, and you're not building equity, just like renting a place to live. With term life, you get coverage for a set period, like 10, 20, or 30 years. You pick the term that matches your needs, whether it's until your kids are grown, your mortgage is paid off, or you reach retirement age. It's flexible and designed to fit the big milestones in your life. If something happens to you during that term, your family gets a payout, called the death benefit. This money can help them cover living expenses, pay off debts, or just keep life moving forward during a tough time. It's peace of mind knowing your loved ones are protected. If not, the policy just ends. There's no payout, but you also don't owe anything more. It's as simple as that. No hidden fees, no complicated rules. It's straightforward, affordable, and perfect if you want to cover things like your mortgage, your kids' college tuition, or any other big financial responsibilities while they're growing up. It's a great way to make sure your family is protected during the years they need it most. No frills, just pure protection. You pay for what you need, when you need it, and that's it. For many people, term life is the perfect fit for their budget and their peace of mind. Now let's talk whole life insurance. This is a different kind of coverage, and it comes with a few extra features that make it unique. This one's more like buying a house. Instead of renting for a while, you're investing in something that's yours for the long haul. It's a bigger commitment, but it comes with some long-term benefits. With whole life, you're covered for your entire life, as long as you keep up with payments. No matter when you pass away, whether it's next year or decades from now, your loved ones will receive a guaranteed payout. It's lifelong security, and you never have to worry about your coverage running out. And here's the cool part, whole life builds cash value over time. That means a portion of your premium goes into a savings-like account that grows every year you keep the policy. That's money you can actually borrow from later if you need it, like a built-in savings account. You can use it for emergencies, big purchases, or even to help fund your retirement. It's a unique feature that gives you more flexibility and options down the road. Some people use the cash value to help pay for their kids' education, start a business, or cover unexpected medical bills. Just remember, if you borrow from your policy and don't pay it back, it can reduce the payout your family receives later. Of course, it costs more than term, but you get lifelong protection and a little nest egg on the side. The premiums are higher, but you're building value and security for the future. Whole life insurance is best for people who want to leave a legacy, have lifelong dependents, or just like the idea of combining insurance with a savings plan. It's also a good fit if you want to lock in your premiums and coverage for life, no matter what happens with your health. So here's your quick takeaway. Let's sum it up so you can remember the key points. Term equals lower cost and temporary coverage. It's simple, affordable, and great for covering big expenses during the years you need it most. Whole life equals higher cost, but you get lifelong coverage and build up cash value. It's more expensive, but it's permanent and comes with extra benefits. Still scratching your head? That's totally normal. Choosing the right life insurance isn't always easy, and there's no one-size-fits-all answer. It really depends on your life stage, your goals, your family situation, and your budget. Honestly, you're not supposed to have all the answers. Life insurance is personal, and what works for your friend or neighbor might not be right for you. Take your time, ask questions, and don't rush the decision. So if you're still unsure which one makes sense for you, just drop me a message. I'm always here to help you sort through the details and figure out what fits your life best. No pressure, no sales pitch, just honest advice to help you figure it out. My goal is to make sure you feel confident and informed, not overwhelmed or pushed into something you don't need. Thanks for hanging out with me for these few minutes. I hope you feel a little more empowered and a lot less confused about life insurance. If this helped clear things up, even just a little, hit that like button and subscribe for more straightforward tips. I'm always here to break down the complicated stuff and make it easy to understand. See you in the next one. And remember, when it comes to life insurance, there's no such thing as a silly question. So keep asking, keep learning, and take care of yourself and your loved ones.